One of the ways to generate more cash flow for your business, either as a service provider or a coach, is to have a low ticket offer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a low ticket offer that scales your high ticket offer. Let's get into the video. Why should you create low ticket offers for your business? To answer this question, you need to look at it from the perspective of you and your client. The first reason is that it is easily executable. Your client can easily execute your low ticket offer in 30 or 60 minutes. You need to avoid creating low ticket offers that will take your clients days and weeks and even a month to execute. A low ticket offer that takes your clients months and weeks to execute is going to hurt the conversion of your high ticket offer. So please keep it short and simple and executable in 30 minutes or 1 hour. At most, 2 or 3 hours. The second thing is quick wins. People want quick wins and quick results. So a low ticket offer can give people that quick win and quick result they're looking for. The next reason is to validate the quality of your product or service. One of the reasons why 80% of your audience have not invested in your high ticket offer is because they don't have a way to validate the quality of your service. So your low ticket offer gives them the opportunity to test out the quality of your service. And then finally, access to your resource or your community. A lot of people want to have access to your resources. They want to have access to your community too, if you provide that, especially if it is a paid community. So creating a low ticket offer can help them get access to either that resource or that community. Let's look at it from your end. The first reason is that you get paid for leads for your high ticket offers. A low ticket offer should act as a ladder for your high ticket offer, and we are going to go deep into this in the coming slide, but just have that in mind. Anybody who pays for your low ticket offer is a potential lead for your high ticket offer. The next reason is that customers are qualified leads. There is a difference between a buyer's list and a non-buyer's list. If anybody has picked up their card or bank app to make a transfer to purchase your low ticket offer, there is a higher possibility that they are going to pay for your high ticket offer. So I want you to keep that in mind. The next reason is that it is easy to upsell to high ticket offers. If someone has spent between $7 to $99 to access your product or your service, there is a high possibility that they are going to spend $500, $1,000, or even $2,500 for your high ticket offer. Next reason is little or no delivery. This is good for service providers who do not have a lot of time. You can deliver a low ticket offer with an automated sales funnel. And for those of us who want to hold workshops or strategy sessions, you can do this in 1 hour. And finally, a low ticket offer is going to serve as a cash flow vehicle for your business. While you are waiting for those high ticket offers to convert, you can use your low ticket offers to generate cash flow for your business. But please note, your low ticket offer should only solve 25% of their problems. And this is what I mean. If you solve all their problems using your low ticket offer, they are not going to buy your high ticket offer. Your high ticket offer is a collection of solutions to so many problems. So your low ticket offer should only be a piece of that puzzle, a fraction of that solution to their problems. So make sure your low ticket offer only solves 25% of their problems. Let's look at features of a low ticket offer. Specificity. This is what I mean by that. Your low ticket offer should be a solution to only one problem. Don't try to solve 2 problems. Don't try to solve 3 problems. Don't try to solve 5 problems at once. Just one problem. One problem, one solution. Now let's look at the risk factor. When it comes to risks, you have to look at it from the angle of time and money. Anybody who does not know you will not spend 50 hours, 80 hours, 20 hours consuming a product from you. They don't have that kind of time. So you have to create a product they can consume with less time. 30 minutes, 60 minutes, an hour or 2 hours at most. Then the money factor. These people don't know you. They're not going to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars to work with you. So you have to price your low ticket offer in a range that people can easily pay for and don't mind the risk of losing that money. Relevance. Your low ticket offer should be a ladder to your high ticket offer. They should be related. You shouldn't be creating anything off. it should always be related so that you can easily upsell them your high ticket offer. Finally, awareness. Sell to people who are solution aware. There are different kinds of markets when you are selling a product or your service. There are people who are only problem aware, and there are people who are solution aware. The people you want to focus on are people who are solution aware and not people who are problem aware. Solution aware people are ready and willing to pay for that solution, and they understand how your process is or how they can solve their problem. They just need a little guide or someone to help them solve those problems. So make sure when you are crafting your marketing and sales messages, you focus on the solution aware audience. So what are the types of low ticket offers? There are different kinds of low ticket offers you can create. We have templates, we have checklists, we have workshops, we have master classes, we have swipe files, scripts, clarity and strategy session. Personally, I love templates, I love clarity and strategy sessions because with this, I can easily upsell my high ticket offers. Remember, whatever kind of low ticket offer you want to create, make sure it is relatable to your high ticket offer so that you can easily upsell them. If you need help with creating a low ticket offer, check the description of this video. There's a link for you to book a strategy session with me, and I'm going to walk you through how you can do this for yourself. And then if you want me to create another video showing you how to sell low ticket offer, let me know in the comment section.